Where we sit right now, we see a move up happening in general, or at least a trend up in price, while price versus while money flow is actually trending downwards. This is bearish divergence, and most often this will result in moves back to the downside. How's it going, everyone? Today is November 7th, and we are seeing yesterday's prediction of Bitcoin play out. Starting through the week, we were expecting a drop down to $33,100 before a bounce back up to retest the structural resistance somewhere around $37,000. We are seeing red candles, and the rest of the crypto market is actually red as well. As long as this continues, we should be expecting bearish results. And in this video, I'm going to show you my exact targets and show you some really interesting data that you think you need to know before making any trading decisions. Let's jump into it. Thanks so much for joining us today. My name is Jake with Trade Confident LLC, here to bring you your daily crypto insight. Now, if you enjoy this video, please like and subscribe for more crypto content, education, and analysis. And if you are new with us, welcome to the page. We're so excited to trade with you. Just as a heads up, if you go into the description of the video you're watching right now, you'll see that we have our Black Friday sale running with up to 80% off our indicators at the first link. You can join our 87 win, 0 loss trade call strategy, access our daily crypto metrics, and join us for our $1 million profit account challenge with our membership at the second link. And you can join our Telegram channel for free at the third link. Here on the TradeConfident.io website, we're going to head up to the future forecast tab really quick. You need to watch this video. Travis just bought $35,000 worth of these cryptocurrencies and stocks with a 30 to 80 times potential. Those who invested in Bitcoin at the beginning of the last halving event made 707% return on their money. Travis is going to show you 3 stocks that made 18,363%, 3,493%, and 2,372% in that same time. And he's going to be buying $10,000 worth of these companies this morning. Travis is also going to show you why he strongly believes $47,000 to $48,000 for Bitcoin is where we are heading next, to then be followed by a short-term crash, after which will make for an incredible accumulation time. You do not want to miss this video. It's going to be absolutely crucial that you watch this. This is members-only content, providing you actionable insight into the crypto market every Tuesday and Friday. As a heads up, we just won 4 trade wins yesterday. This brings us to 87 wins, 0 losses with 3 active trades. You're going to want to snag a membership if you want to access our next trade setups as well. More on that later. For now, we're going to head down to Bitcoin. Now, the first metric we're going to look at is the Bitcoin Emotional Index to start off our analysis for today. Bitcoin has dropped down into neutral territory based off of this really tiny drop in the market. Most often, this will result in moves back up. Typically, the lower you are on the emotional index, the more bullish the market is as a whole. So if we drop into anxious territory as the price drops as well, that's the point that we're going to be looking for the next move up in Bitcoin. Now, the market does have to move down before that happens, so this does support the $33,000 prediction. Next up, let's take a look at the Bitcoin volatility breakout detector. We are still in the breakout zone and are waiting for that massive move. I do think it's going to be to the downside with a followed up bounce back up, just as we saw back here, but the opposite. Right here, we saw a crazy bounce to the upside and crash back down. Anytime we drop into the breakout zone, this is where we can expect really big moves in the market. So this is why we need to pay close attention to the volatility breakout detector. Next up, let's check out what whales are likely to do soon here. After yesterday's move back up, we saw significant short trade sentiment in the market, very close to the negative 800 value that we're typically looking for moves back down to happen. Now, this is exactly what we're getting. We're seeing moves back down for Bitcoin. We can expect this to likely continue for the future, and as we can tell right this second from the Bitcoin whale money flow relative to price chart, whale money is flowing out of the market like crazy. This supports the short trade sentiment theory, and as long as whale money continues moving out of the market, we can expect the price to continue dropping too. But notice how little the price has actually moved despite massive moves in whale money. This tells us that retail traders seem to be the one actually supporting the market where we're at now. No trend can be sustained without the help of whale money, so we should be expecting moves down soon. Again, my target is around the $33,000 level. Next up, we need to be paying attention to the Bitcoin major support and resistance levels. Now, we have major structure support at $31,862. That is the absolute lowest I think we could drop, but I do not expect any further than that. Again, $33,000 is my overall target, and I'll show you exactly why that is on the live chart, so stay tuned for that. And last but not least is going to be the Bitcoin trade signals chart. We need these sell and strong sell signals to play out. That is where I'm expecting the drop to $33,000. Nothing too significant, but keep in mind, in order for massive bull market runs to happen, we need sell signals, we need bearish signals to be invalidated. So we have to keep that in mind as we get closer and closer to the bull market. In fact, it's very likely that we're already in it. So keep that in mind. And if you're a Bitcoin trader, you need to be paying attention very closely to these metrics. They update every single day at 8 a.m. Pacific time. And even if you're not a Bitcoin trader, our members are offered 20 coins worth of metrics. The top 20 coins based on market cap and utility are available to you with the membership. Don't forget about the future forecast videos, the trade setups, and for a limited time only, we have a Black Friday sale where members are getting a massive $250 off our Pro Indicator Pack and $350 off our TC Top and Bottom Finder. This is a massive discount and you do not want to miss out. You're going to want to snag a membership at the links in the description down below. Go ahead and scroll down, click more. The membership is going to be the second link. Click that. Go ahead and scroll down. The full access membership is what you're looking for. This is going to be a limited time special, so lock in your membership prices now before the price increases happen. You're going to get everything I just showed you: future forecast, all trade setups, live Zoom coaching every month, metrics across all 20 coins, massive membership indicator coupon codes, and many more benefits. Just go ahead and click subscribe now, follow the prompts, and we're so excited to trade with you soon. Heading into the live charts, we're looking at Bitcoin USD on the 1-day time frame, trading with the TC Top and Bottom Finder price versus while money flow and trades in favor indicators. Where we sit right now, we see a move up happening in general, or at least a trend up in price, while price versus while money flow is actually trending downwards. This is bearish divergence, and most often this will result in moves back to the downside. We saw it happen right here. Price was moving up, price versus while money flow was trending down, and we saw a crash back down to structure support. Now, part of the reason I don't expect this move to be very large is because the trades in favor is actually at a 62% chance of a drop. This is still a high chance of a drop. We should be expecting moves down soon, but a lower chance of a drop typically correlates to a smaller drop as well. So we are seeing price versus while money flow leave the market. We're seeing 62% chance of a drop. Personally, I think we're going to drop to intersect with this previous structure resistance, now support, at $33,100. Now keep in mind, this is also the close before we actually pumped above that. We saw a breakout, so this is also a strong structure support. From the current price, this is looking like a drop of about 4.91%. This was over 5% yesterday. The price has dropped a little bit, so I think we should be expecting moves down throughout the next couple of weeks in order for this to play out. If you watched yesterday's video, though, you know that I'm still bullish after this. We are expecting a bounce up from this level. I had to go back and switch things up a little bit just to make it a little clearer. We're looking at the 1 week time frame though, but for the price prediction for the move up, I'm looking at $37,000. This is for a couple of reasons. First off, we have a couple of really strong touches at this level. There's nothing between $35,000 where we currently sit and $37,000. Typically we'd look for 36 somewhere in there, but that just is not there. Keep in mind, we have whole numbers theory. Human psychology really likes really easy numbers like $37,000. This is why a move up to $37,000 is very likely after this bounce from structure support. These are my two targets, and after we bounce off $33,100, we would be looking at a roughly 12% move up. This is what we're preparing for as we move forward in this market. Now, none of this is financial advice, but as these moves play out, you're going to want to pay attention to these indicators. They're what have guided us through this market, through the absolute insane bear market, through the last bull market, and these indicators are how we are currently 87 wins, 0 losses in our trading account. You do not want to miss out on the next signals that are going to help you call the tops and bottoms. And you're going to want to act fast because you're going to get massive discounts with our Black Friday sale now. Snag the indicators at the links in the description down below. Go ahead and scroll down, click more, and the Black Friday sale indicator link is going to be the very first one. Click that. It'll bring you to the Black Friday indicator sale page. Pro Indicator Pack here. Black Friday member discount is going to be $250 off. It is significantly cheaper to purchase with a membership than it is without one. And on top of the discount, you're going to get crazy money-making benefits. So go ahead and snag the membership access access coupon code, then click Pro Indicator Pack. Scroll down, click I want this, throw in the Black Friday membership coupon code, and fill in your information. Click Pay. It's going to offer you the TC Top and Bottom Finder for $400 off, giving you a massive $650 discount. This is the biggest sale we've ever run. Go ahead and click Add to Cart, follow the prompts, and we're so excited to trade with you soon. With that, I just want to say thanks so much for watching. Trade safe, trade confident, and I'll see you on the future forecast videos. Don't miss out.